Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel Be Inspired. In this channel I'm going to create some mathematical videos which helps for the primary kids, and not only mathematical videos, some financial analysis for the retirement purpose, and some puzzle videos, Vedic maths, and some mathematics tips. All these videos I'm preparing, so please share, like, subscribe my channel. Hi kids, welcome to maths class. Without getting late, let's get started. So today we are going to deal with write the fractions equivalent to each of the following with the denominators. Write the fractions equivalent to each of the following with denominators. So with the help of denominators you are going to prepare some like fraction, equivalent fractions. So here my fraction is 6 by 10. So I have to check only with the denominator. So I just want to take 30. In 10 table when you will get 30, 10 3s are. So the numerator also you are going to multiply with 3. So 6 3s are 18 by 10 3s are 30. In this way we are going to solve all the equivalent fractions. Okay children, let's get started. You can go for any other number, but you should consider only the denominator. You should not consider the numerator. Okay.
Say something. I will talk to you.
Okay children. So we can go with the 10 table, either anything. You can go with any other number. Okay. So here I am taking 3 by 7. So I'll just go with 3 7s. Okay. Means I should multiply the denominator also with 7. So 3 7s are 21 by 7 7s are 49. You can go, okay, for example, I just want to go with 3 3s are by 7 3s are. Means my denominator is going to be considered, I should not consider the numerator. That's what they are trying to say over here. Okay. 8 by 15. So which number will take? Okay, directly we'll go with 10. 8 tens are by 15 tens are. 8 tens are 80, 15 tens are 150. See, this is very simple children. In equivalent fractions, first 5 equivalent fractions we just done with the one number. We just done with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this we are going to consider only one number, or otherwise we can go like this. We can go the denominator table. I will show you like this. This question I will explain you. 9 by 27. And 9 by 27 is not an equivalent fraction, so I am just going with this. So in this we have cancellations, direct 9 table we can go. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, and now 1 by 3 is an equivalent fraction. So 1 into 1 by 3 into 1, 1 into 2 by 3 into 2. You can go even in this way, 1 by 3 or 2 by 6. Okay children. Like that we can go for so many equivalent fractions, because there is no end for the table. That is the reason we are going to get so many equivalent fractions by multiplication. Now, so they are saying that multiplication, so that is the reason we are just doing that. So 60 by 1, what is this number? 20 by 120. So I'm just going with 22s by 120 into 2. 22s are 40, 122s are 240. I should just select my denominator. According to the denominator, I should go for equivalent fractions. Now 13 by 18. 54 I am taking. So 18 table, when you will get 54, 18 3s are 54. 13 3s are 39, 18 3s are 54. In the same way, we will go for 1 by 11. 150, okay? 1150. So 5 by 55. And 5 by 19. 6. 5 6 are 30. 19 6 are 140. $75 by 75. See, it is very simple. This is nothing but like 75 by 75. It is going to look like 1 by 1. So whatever the number you will do, you will get the same answer here. So 75 into 2 by 75 into 2. So 150 by 150. And the last one we will go 10 by 150. So 10 2s are by 150 2s are. 10 2s are 20 by 150 2s are 300. So this is the way we are going to do this. Isn't it easy, children? Just like your normal equivalent fractions, like your first 5 equivalent fractions, in the same way we are going to solve this. Wear a mask, save lives, wear face guard, wash your hands, keep safe distance. To avoid COVID-19, you should follow these rules properly. Wash your hands often, sanitize constantly, avoid close contacts, try to avoid crowded places, stay home, stay healthy, and cover while you are getting a cough or sneeze, please cover it properly and do it. And if it is necessary only, please go outside. Cover where the face mask can go while going outside. After coming, please wash your hands thoroughly and maintain social distance. Thank you for listening.